feedback, and I will record this and send it to you on the weekend, okay? So you are assessed in 4 ways: your interaction with each other, your organization and your linking of your ideas, your actual ideas, of course, your grammar and vocabulary, all right? And then because it's a speaking test, this is the only chance to assess your pronunciation, all right? So let's start with you, Yue, and I'll put Amy over here. All right, so Yue, I think the reason you struggled because you had too many problems here. What do you think? Because you couldn't think of ideas quickly,
Yeah.
then unfortunately this affected your grammar and your vocabulary, and it affected this one as well. So I hear you talking quite a bit. In our speaking lessons, I'm always coming in and out of the rooms, and I hear you talking better on other days. But I think the problem for you today was you didn't have enough ideas.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. There was one time you gave an excellent idea, which was improving the medical care in poor countries.
Yeah.
So that was a good example of giving a detail to improve your vocabulary score. Okay, but you didn't do enough of this. All right?
Yeah.
Now let me go through some specific problems. You kept saying this. Look, what's wrong? What's wrong?
Has.
Yes, but you said it many times. China have, Australia have.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, I do think you need to work on your multi-syllable words, like all of these words you really struggled and it slowed your speech. And then you couldn't speak fluently because of these words. So I just want you, watch me now. This is my desk, my hands, right? You need to practice these words with your fingers.
Yes.
Many of the words like this are, 4 or 5 syllables. So communication, and you can't do it in class, you do it at home, right? And you practice with your 5 fingers, communication.
Yeah.
Okay, or globalization, or nationalities. And you practice tapping at the same time as you speak.
Yeah.
And then I believe if you feel it in your fingers, it will start to come more naturally.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Can you think of another word like this you struggle to pronounce? What's another one?
Good. I forgot.
What about this one? Can you say this for me?
Technological.
Yeah, so technological. Do it now. Grab your hands, 5 fingers or 4 fingers, 1 thumb. Put it on the desk.
Yeah.
So
Technological.
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 Perfect. That was perfect. So you're going to have to do some private practice, because this type of practice is, sometimes it makes some students feel embarrassed to do it in the classroom with everybody. It's better to do it by yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm sure you will improve. but we don't, clearly, Amy and I know you know the words, so your writing must be good. It's just speaking the words that you have to practice.
Actually, I don't know the words.
Oh, I don't think that's true because you were using them. You were trying to use them. So I think you know them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But really, I think your performance today was a little bit low. Everything from this, you didn't have the ideas ready. Did you write anything in the minute I gave you before?
No, I just read the sentence.
That's a problem.
Yeah.
You should be writing, and it's the same in IELTS. Before part 2, you have 1 minute to write some ideas.
Yeah.
So we need to practice next week some brainstorming, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right. And Amy, honestly, you have a very high level of English. I hope your parents are proud of you. You use words, you use phrases like, oh, I'm not sure about that. I totally agree. So these are very natural phrases, all right? So that's very good there. Now, excellent linking. So just listen, Yue, because you can learn from Amy as well. Amy used words like, well, for me, because, so, anyway, but yeah, and it seems like. So all of these phrases Amy used to link makes it easier for the English listener to understand. So you need to improve your use of the linking words to help the English person understand the ideas better. And don't make it too complicated for yourself. Just learn 10. Try to learn 10 that you're really confident with. Let's do some now. Like, okay, because, easy one, right? Amy used this one. So I think. Anyway, you know, and you can keep going. Just learn 10 phrases like this that your mind can grab really quickly when you're in the conversation or in a speaking test. Yeah. All right. Amy, excellent ideas, excellent detail. Honestly, you shouldn't be worried going forward. You made one silly grammar mistake. So see, everybody makes mistakes. But maybe, Amy, this was pronunciation because I heard this. I heard this. What's wrong?
I
am.
Yeah. I couldn't hear this. And you did it twice?
Okay.
Okay, so you missed the verb to be. Yeah. And your pronunciation was fine. Could you understand each other okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's a positive thing. Your pronunciation was good. It was only this one problem for you with your pronunciation.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So try to practice with your fingers to get those big words more easily spoken. Okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to stop this recording. I've got one more group.